So this is Gigabyte graphic card, AORUS RTX 4080 Super Xtreme i16G. Let's check the deep specifications of this graphic card. So graphic processing socket offers RTX 4080 Super, core clock 2700 megahertz, and reference card 2550 megahertz, and DUDA cores 10240, memory clock 23 GB per second. This is actually core speed. This is clock speed. Sorry. Memory size 16 GB, memory type GDDR6X, and memory bus 256 bit, card bus PCI, which is connect to your motherboard PCI 4.0, and this is max monitor resolutions 7680 4320. This is power supply 850 watts, and power converter 16 pin, and output for the display for your monitor. Total 4 port, 3 port DP port, and 1 port HDMI 2.1A and 2.4A.